Here's how to fix Microsoft Authenticator not sending codes in 2025. First thing, make sure the app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play and install the latest version. A lot of issues get patched with updates. Next, check your battery optimization settings. On both iPhone and Android, you want to make sure Microsoft Authenticator is allowed to run in the background. If battery saver is blocking it, you won't get codes. Now, confirm you've got a stable internet connection. The app needs Wi-Fi or mobile data to send verification codes. So if your signal is weak, that could be the problem. Another key step, check notifications. Go into your device settings, apps, Microsoft Authenticator permissions, and make sure notifications are allowed. If they're blocked, you'll never see the code pop up. Still not working? No worries. You can try an alternative verification method like a text message or phone call to verify your identity. And if nothing works, contact your IT support or Microsoft support team to reset your authentication methods. That's it. Follow these steps and you should be back up and running. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and I'll catch you in the next one.